Here we're asked to draw the graph of the function with its given domain. So we have a restricted domain here. Then determine the range using interval notation. So let's start by going one step at a time. I'm going to start by figuring out what this graph is going to look like without any restrictions. Then I'll go ahead and cut off the domain with this restriction here. And then I'll figure out what the range is. So to start us off, our b value or our y-intercept is -1. And our slope here, or m value, is 0.5, or what I like to call is 1/2. If I'm doing 1/2 here, that means the rise over the run. So as I go 2 to the right, I'm going up 1. 2 to the right, up 1, 2 to the right, up 1, 2 to the left, down 1. And if I sketched a line through that, that would be our total graph here, and it would go on forever. Now, here's the issue, though. I have a restricted domain, and what that means is that it's going to be not this whole graph. It's going on to infinity in the domain. So it's going to the left forever. So it's going on and on and on. So that I don't have to change. I can just put an arrow here at the end because it goes on forever. But now the positive value here, or the farthest to the right that it goes on the domain, is +4. And it does not include it because I have a parenthesis here and not a bracket. It's going to be an open circle here at the x value of +4 and nothing to the right. So what my graph should look like is it should include all of these and then go on forever to the left, but it's stopping right here and not going on to this point over here because of our restricted domain. So lastly, our range here, we're going from the lowest possible value. We say that that goes on forever, so it's going to go on forever down as well. So the y value here can go all the way down to -infinity. But then the highest possible y value that we get to looks like it's at +1. And again, that's an open circle, so it is not inclusive. So our range is -infinity